Okay, I am looking for, yeah, we can do one thing. I'll show you. Looking for a skin doctor, right? And for example, this is an existing user and he have an idea of how it works, or even if it is a new user and he directly provided that, let's just go and yeah, I'll just refresh it and show you that Raghav record is created or not. You see Raghav Singh, the record is properly created. Now I'll just pick this from here, and my email is Raghav Singh. So we need to try to keep it user friendly, because user might have questions in different ways, right? He is not going to and this is an agent builder and smart enough, so we need to keep it user friendly, right? So you see here is a dermatologist. Let's just say I am looking for a appointment appointment on Wednesday, right? On Monday at 9 a.m., right? So again, what it does, it night this I'm looking for an appointment on Monday 9 a.m., right? Monday, again it will convert Monday and 9 a.m., right? It will pick it up and convert it into suitable Salesforce data model, into Salesforce preferences, like it has particular date preference or time preference, right? And create a record smart enough, right? We don't have to provide a particular date into the date format that Salesforce take or something like this. You see, once it is done, it provides you appointment, right? It provides you date and time also, that you, and most important, it provides you your important appointment number. Why? Because based on this appointment number, our agent is capable of modifying it, right? Rescheduling it or canceling it. So let's just go back here and go to the appointments and see if we have a booking or not. You see, at the very first we have this booking AN003X Priya Reddy Raghav Singh, right? You can see that date time is different. Why it is different? Because the org date time is not set right now. I have not set it up, but if I'll set it up, it will be correct, right? And you can see that we have a booking status as confirmed, correct? So if we go back, we can check also here like AN0036. Now again, now for example, Raghav have some issue and wanted to change the time, and we are in the same conversation, right? I have not refreshed it right now. So again, if I say, hey, I am looking to make some modifications, right? It is smart enough to pick up the appointment number from the current session, and you don't have to provide it. You see, it is smart enough. As I told, how it is doing it, you need to provide it proper set of instructions to make it that smart. Again, I'll tell it to you. If I go here, you see, these are the sets of instructions that you need to provide it, right? And you need to provide, for example, I'll also show you one thing. If I add instructions, you see it says that always try to use keywords like always, never, right? If X then Y, if not this then what, right? Always try to use always, never type of keyword to emphasize this, right? So if I go back here and like, so for example, yes, we were here, sure, I can help you with that, are you looking? So you just say yes, right? Because what it does is it has directly picked it up. How it is picking? Because of the instructions that I have provided. You see, the current booking, let's just say the current booking, right? Because again, it is agent and it is capable of handling. You see, hi, I have not provided it the appointment number anywhere. It has directly picked it up. Has been cancelled. Please provide a new date and time that would you like to reschedule. Yes. Now currently in my data model or in my use case, I am only having two different status field here. This either it is confirmed or cancelled. Now that it is cancelled and you want to make it for like 10 a.m., okay, you don't have to say anything. You can say same date at 10, or let's just say 10 a.m., right? Same date. It will pick the proper details from that previous appointment, right? And try to book it, just reschedule it for 10 a.m., right? You see, Monday 10 a.m. Now for example, if this is a very new user and let's just say that everything is refreshed, right? Now this is not possible because we have not provided it. I can just say, hey, I am looking to reschedule my booking AN0037 for 1 p.m., right? Now again, I have already provided it everything, right? Now AN0037, it is something, could you please provide a new date or month, right? You see how again I am utilizing a flow here. This flow is taking this appointment number in the back as an input and providing you proper output like your appointment number, your date and time, your basic details. So this is very important to define your actions. first of all, and second most important thing is to provide your particular instructions properly to keep it user friendly. So let's just say you need to provide a new date or month. Okay, you see, I've already provided it the time, but as we can see, now I want to check what date or time Dr. Priya is available. Can you show me the doctor's availability? Doctor's doctor availability, right? If I put it here, now again, doctor's availability, it is smart enough to understand, okay, what I'm looking for, right? And say, as I have not provided it correctly, I am looking for the skin doctor. Skin doctor, let's just say I'm looking for the skin doctor. So it is smart enough to show you, can you show me the doctor availability? Now it will see that, okay, Monday and Wednesday. Okay, you see it is picking up everything. Would you like to reschedule your appointment with Dr. Priya to 1 p.m.? Yes, I am looking to make it for Wednesday. Let's just say Wednesday, right? So again, it is a very small use case that we are utilizing here just to show, can you please provide me your email address? Yeah, why it is doing it? Wait, let's just say same as in AN0037. Let's just say I'm not going to provide it, and I'm trying to provide it with the appointment number. I'm trying to fetch it. Your appointment AN has been cancelled. Let's Dr. Priya, I'll book a new appointment. It is throwing it. Let's just say okay. We wait for it. Now I already have, just I've told you that I only have two of it as cancelled or confirmed. So that is why it first cancels it and then confirms it, right? You see your appointment has been booked, reschedule. And if I go back here and refresh it, AN037, it is for Raghav Singh only. Nowhere I have provided it the details of a user or anything, right? It was asking for me an email, but why it is asking for me an email address? Why was it asking? Because I have provided it that instruction that whenever you are trying to book, you should always ask email. But once it is provided in the appointment number, you can directly say, or we can ask him, like same as in the appointment number, right? It is smart enough to do it. So this was just a very small use case that was built around Agent Builder, how it is handling a reservation, or if we can even extend it to a further use case, whatever we want. Now, for example, I am you just say that, hey, what are all the required documents for making a visit? For making a visit. Now just say that the user or a patient have a general question, right? You can see that I have a general FAQ here, general FAQ for users or patient, right? So how I'm doing it, first of all, for it you need to enable a data cloud, you need to provide your proper permissions of a data cloud, then you need to provide that journal FAQ sets of question in form of PDF, right? When you have provided in a form of PDF, it will directly go. Now just say, you see that the user agent has already picked up this when I was trying this topic, when I was trying to make or reschedule my booking. Now that I'm asking it a very basic or a general question that a user might have, it will pick a different topic, right? Because it is smart enough to do that. It is smart enough to define different, to pick up different labels or topics based on the requirement of a user, right? You see, if I go here, you see selected topic, general FAQ topic.